So you want to sort by color. We have our IDs, we have employee names, we can sort by alphabetical, but we want to sort by color. We have highlighted these in a certain way, and we want to sort them. Select your columns that you want to sort by, then go up to data and create a filter. When we've created a filter, we have these sort of extra menus created in the header. You have sort A to Z, sort Z to A, and you have sort by color. Sort by color, you can use that fill color to say, hey, yellow at the top. Or you want to say sort by color, magenta at the top. Now notice that it did it in order. So if I want yellow at the top and then magenta, I sort by color, fill, magenta, and then sort by color, fill color, yellow. So you have to sort of sort in reverse, or if you want a certain sort order, then you need to do it in reverse actions. And there you go. You can sort by color.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. You have two options here for your next video. Before you go, comment down below if you have any question whatsoever, and I'll make future videos from those questions. But for right here, right now, one of these videos could be your next Google Sheet.